Hello traders, if you have been using the standard RSI and finding it unreliable in certain market conditions, well, it is time for an upgrade, okay? So in this video, we are going to be diving into the RSI Momentum Trend. Okay, let me just add the indicator to the chart. Okay, we're going to be looking at the RSI Momentum Trend indicator. You can see it's an enhanced RSI indicator, right? And it delivers stronger trading signals and better trend confirmations. Okay, now you might be wondering why the RSI. You might be wondering why the RSI, the standard RSI, falls short. Well, let me just add the standard RSI to the chart as we look at that, right? Now, the relative strength index is actually one of the most popular indicators for identifying overbought and oversold conditions, right? But here's the problem. Traditional RSI signals can be misleading. The signals from the traditional RSI can be misleading sometimes, especially in ranging markets, right? Especially in ranging markets, it can be misleading. Now, concerning false reversals, price may keep trending even after RSI shows overbought or oversold. Now you can see that RSI showed oversold here, but the sell trend continued, right? So price might keep on trending even after an oversold level has been identified or an overbought level has been identified, okay? And then with respect to choppy signals, RSI moves up and down rapidly in sideways market. You can see this was a sideways market, right? You can see how the RSI was just moving up and down. So this keeps just creating, a level of confusion, right? Leading to unclear signals. Okay, and then with respect to trend confirmation, the RSI alone does not confirm whether the market is in a strong trend. So now let us talk about how the RSI momentum trend fixes this. The RSI momentum trend actually improves on the classic RSI by filtering out weak signals. For example, it focuses only on strong momentum shift. You can see how the indicator even identifies whether it's a positive move or a negative move. It highlights the particular momentum that is prevailing. Is a bullish momentum positive, and this is a bearish momentum negative, right? Also, it confirms trend direction, avoiding trading against, making traders to trade against the main market trend. So basically, when you have a buy signal, when you have a positive signal and the shaded green area, just know that you should be looking for only buy opportunities, right? Irrespective of the pullbacks, you should be looking for only buy opportunities, strictly buy opportunities, right? But when you have a negative signal, you should be looking for sell opportunities. Okay, you can see that the indicator provides clear buy and sell signals, based on momentum strength rather than just overbought and oversold conditions. So this makes the RSI momentum trend a more reliable tool for both day traders and swing traders, especially those who want to stay in high probability trades longer. Okay, now how do you use the RSI momentum trend for better trades? One is to identify trend strength. Okay, for example, if the RSI momentum trend is green, the shaded green area, and you have price either within it, because you can see that sometimes price is actually going to be within the area or maybe a little bit above it. But basically, price is going in line with the green shaded area. It shows that there is a strong, or rather, it shows that there is bullish momentum prevailing. On the other hand, if price is within the red area or trading below the red area, it shows that there is bearish momentum prevailing in the market. So once you have identified the trend strength or the prevailing trend direction, you should start looking for buy or sell opportunities respectively. If you have identified a bullish momentum, the indicator has told you that this is a positive trend, you should be looking for buy opportunities. If the indicator has told you that this is a negative trend and you can see that for yourself, you should be looking for sell opportunities. All right. And also, you can use this indicator with other indicators. You can pair it with moving averages or price action levels for even better accuracy. I always recommend using support and resistance zones. They're very, very important. Make use of your trend lines. Make use of your horizontal levels. These are very important price points on your chart. They can give you idea concerning valid reversal points. So when price begins to approach these key levels, you would have in mind that there could possibly be a reversal, a rejection, or price stalling around those zones. So it's important to plot those zones on your charts so that when price begins to approach such zones, you just know what to expect. So you'll be looking out for price reaction around those zones. Those are important zones on the chart. Okay, your support and resistance zones, right? They're very important zones on the chart. Okay, now even while using this indicator or using this strategy, ensure that you always observe good risk management. Okay, do not trade with an amount that you cannot afford to lose. That is one. And do not risk more than 2% of your account balance in a single trade. Okay, that is a recommended percentage for a conservative approach. All right, so if you want to be a conservative trader who is aiming for long-term success, then you should be considering preserving your capital as much as possible. All right, you don't want to risk a huge percentage of your account at once, and if that trade happens to go south, then of course it's going to affect your account in a big way. So instead of encountering such a situation, it's better to just minimize the amount you are risking at a time, okay, per trade. All right, and then ensure that you have good risk to reward ratios. For example, you want to enter a buy trade. Of course, after you get your confirmation, for example, here we got a positive signal here and price got rejected around the support, went up, formed the higher low, and then bullish candlestick pattern forms. If we're going to enter a buy, and let's say we're setting our stop loss, a tight stop loss below that newly formed swing low, and then our resistance is going to be our take profit level. Just ensure that your risk to reward ratio is good enough. For example, minimum of 1:2. All right. So long as you have a good enough risk to reward ratio, then you're good to go. Enter the trade. But if your risk to reward ratio is bad, maybe it is less than 1.5, then just stay away from the trade. Okay, to be on the safer side. Because when you have good risk to reward ratios, even if you have equal number of wins and losses, you're still going to be on the winning side. That's one of the best advantages of that. Okay, so the RSI Momentum Trend is a powerful upgrade to the traditional RSI, offering better trend confirmation, clearer signals, and improved trade timing. If you want to take your RSI trading strategy to be specific, if you want to take it to the next level, then this is the indicator to use. Okay, if you found this strategy useful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more expert trading content. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.